Welcome. Today I am with Realme Smart 360 camera and I will show you how we can reset this device. So as you can see, I am right now connected with the camera and everything is fine. But if you want to perform the reset of this device, you have to grab your camera like that. Take a look right here in this place, and here you'll find the reset button. So you have to click and hold it. Let's make it right now. And take a look on this indicator. Keep holding the button. When indicator turns to the red, like that, we can release that button finally. And now just simply be patient and wait. As you can see right now, we are disconnected from the screen, so we don't have the preview of the camera right now. And it starts blinking. Right now it makes this characteristical sound, the same one that when you plug this device for the first time to the electricity. So right now when you go back in the Realme Link application and you try to just connect back, you are unable because you are just disconnected. So you can finally remove your device from this place, just like that. Click to link a device, and then you can pair this camera one more time. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.